Hey, welcome all. Hope you're doing well. So today again in this video we'll be explaining about harness and UI portal. So this is my end user portal which you are seeing on the screen. So on this end user screen on the left side you can see over here I want an extra menu item over here where it will show me all the cases of a particular case type, where I can select all the I can see all the cases, or I can make it to show only the last five data, or the last five records, or the latest five records. I just want to have it in this particular option. So to do this, what should we do is, first of all you go to Pega Dev Studio. In the Dev Studio you'll find launch portal and open this user portal. So this user portal will be coming up. So here in the right side you will have right side bottom you have a settings icon. In this settings icon open the live UI. So in this live UI select this option. So this option is a menu option here. So in this menu option I want extra option to be shown. Okay, so for that I need to open this menu option. So this menu option is available under portal navigation section. This entire portal navigation section, if you see, this is all your portal navigation section. Okay, so it is available in this portal navigation section. Open this. So when you click on this crosshair icon of here, it will not show any rule over here because it's an end user portal, but you can see that in the Dev Studio. So in Dev Studio it is open for us. So you can see in Dev Studio it is open, but as I have already created, so it is showing in my learnings rule set. But actually this will be available in, if you see the siblings, this will be available in Themes Cosmos. So from Themes Cosmos I saved as into my application rule set, that is learning. So now it is there. So in this is our second menu option. So open the second menu option. Okay, so this second menu option is a main navigation rule, that is a navigation rule. So this navigation rule you have to open. So when you open this navigation rule also will be available under Themes Cosmos. So now under this I want to add below one particular option, another option here, that is another menu item. So I can't do this here because it is in Themes Cosmos. I have to again save as this into our application rule set. So let me save as this. So I am saving the same main navigation into my rule set, that is add rule set, under my application. So create and open. So now we have created into the main navigation. So if you add anything over here, all those things will be coming on your screen. So let me add something here, add below. So I'll write something here, again add below. Yeah, I'll write something below, and so you write something here, something I'm writing, click OK and save. So you added two things, right? So those two things will be coming up in your dashboard. Can you see? Something have come over, something and some two things, but you do not want to show in this way. It should be coming in the same way. That means some icon should be there, and icons beside that icon your value should come, whatever the value are coming. But on clicking nothing is happening over here. On clicking nothing is happening. That means you didn't properly configure this, means you didn't configure any action. So let's do that. So I do not want this extra thing, so let me delete this. So on this something, what I do is I'll double click on this. So instead of something I say that it is hotel case types, cases, not case types, it is hotel cases. So all hotel cases. And now here we got some image source. This image source will help you in adding these icons. So those image sources will be available under, you can go for any simple image, you can take it, or you can go for property, or you can go for icon class. So I'm going for icon class. Your icon class always starts with PI space PA space whatever the icon class you want to add, that icon class should be seen over here. Yes, so you'll find these icon class. So as I said, py space py iphone, and you can add the icon class. So these icon class will be available under design.pega.com. You can see in that. So in that, under components you'll see icons there. From there you can take any one of the icons specified. So I'll take this OK, and let's see what that icon tells to how it will look for us. Okay, so I'm just refreshing this. Can you see hotel case is there, but this icon has not. Okay, so that particular icon is not available in your application. So we'll take the available one, which so we'll go with something else which I already have, that is case 1. so open this pi case hyphen solid. I'll take this. Sorry, I have to click OK first. OK first, save, then we'll see here. Can you see now? Case thing has come up. So when you click on hotel cases, it should show up something else. So how do you know, how do you on click, how do you get that? Means you'll go to Dev Studio, again double click on this, you'll go to actions. In actions, on click, you have to write certain things. So I'm going to create one harness which I want to show it. So harness is a rule which will structure your portal, means which will make a proper structure to your hotels. I mean layouts, what are the layouts, how it should show, left pan, right pan, you know, the active, I mean the work area pan, in that pan how your data should show it. Okay, so it will talk about the structure of your portal. Okay, so how do you structure it? That is your harness. So this is harness here. So target, you can make it as pop-up window, or you want to replace current, you can replace, or you can go for new document also. So here in the table name, I'm going for all cases here. So data class, I'm writing everything in the data dash portal, because harness rule is an instance of data dash portal only. So better I do with the data dash portal only. So harness, I have to create one harness here. So I'll create one harness. So I created one harness already for you. So this is my harness. So let me open this harness. So this is the harness which I created. So in this harness, I have to add you know, like this harness contains screen layout, and in this screen layout you have to add sections. So whatever the screen layout you want, you can just make changes, or how your screen should look into. So you want header, and then you want all case data. Yes, you can change like this. Okay, so you got something header like this. Okay, open the case. So this is a section which we have. So I don't want to add any actually I was working on another video exercise, so that was added. So now I do not want. So these all things I have already said you in the previous video. You can just go through the previous video. So that is about this one. So on click, you did some changes now. So let the on click would be like this. Okay, save. You can refresh. Yes, all have come. So now what you do, you'll just click on now into the end user portal, and click on hotel cases. Okay, maybe I didn't save it, or what? Yeah, maybe I didn't save it. So here it's okay, and then here I'd have to save this. Okay, save. Yeah, now you go back and check. Yes, if you click on this, now on click, you got this all data, all cases data, top 5 and bottom 5. So this is how you add something into your harness. Thank you.